lubrication solution that is formulated with a net zero CO2 output. That seems odd, doesn't it? We have created a formulation made up of about 3/4 plant-derived materials and 1/4 from traditional oil sources. So no compensation, but the real deal. That's because the renewable part has a negative CO2 output. And if we add this up to the part that's traditional, we have a formulation that has the same Eurol quality, but with a net zero carbon output. But enough about the technicalities. We all want to pass on a healthy planet to the next generation. And with our carbon neutral products, we offer a perfect way to take small steps that have a huge impact on a better planet, as well as your sustainability goals. Swap your current portfolio for our CO2 neutral range today. And with the 4 products currently available, you will downsize your portfolio, which makes it easier to manage. About the application fit. In the heavy-duty category, we offer our CO2 neutral engine oil, suitable for diesel engines, including low SAPS technology. The second product is a transmission oil intended for heavy-duty hydraulics and wet brakes. For cars, vans, and transporters, we have this engine oil, intended for both gasoline and diesel engines, plus a transmission oil that saves fuel and ensures smooth shifting in automatic transmissions. Start creating your future-proof business with a product portfolio that improves your carbon footprint. Eurol, powering performance.